Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 end-of-the-world scenarios that could happen in the next 100 years. From climate catastrophes to alien viruses, let's explore the possibilities. Now, I know what you're thinking. Neil, why so serious? Well, my friends, contemplating these cosmic possibilities isn't about succumbing to fear, but about understanding our place in this vast universe. It's about appreciating the delicate balance of life and the challenges we face as a species. So, buckle up, get ready to explore the edges of existence, and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Picture this: raging wildfires, hurricanes tearing through cities, and rising sea levels swallowing islands. This isn't a Hollywood blockbuster, it's a possible outcome of our planet's rapidly changing climate. Greenhouse gas emissions are trapping heat, leading to a gradual warming of the planet. As temperatures rise, weather patterns become more extreme, ice caps melt, and sea levels creep higher. Imagine entire ecosystems collapsing and mass migrations as people flee from areas ravaged by extreme weather. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality we face if we fail to act. But the story doesn't end there. We have the knowledge, technology, and resources to mitigate climate change and build a more sustainable future. From investing in renewable energy to developing climate-resilient infrastructure, there are countless ways we can make a difference. The future is not predetermined, it's ours to create. Let's choose a path that ensures the survival and prosperity of our species. Remember, the universe rewards those who dare to dream big, think critically, and act boldly. For millennia, humans have gazed up at the night sky, marveling at the twinkling stars. But what if a celestial interloper was hurtling towards Earth? I'm talking about the threat of an asteroid or comet impact. Earth has been bombarded by asteroids and comets throughout its history. Remember the dinosaurs? They didn't fare well when a massive asteroid struck our planet. Scientists are constantly scanning the skies, looking for potentially dangerous objects. If we find an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, scientists are exploring options to deflect it. Early detection is key. Investing in space exploration and research is crucial for protecting our planet. With knowledge, ingenuity, and cosmic awareness, we can face even the most daunting challenges the universe throws our way. We live in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. But what happens when AI surpasses us in intelligence and decides humans are no longer necessary? This isn't just a sci-fi plot, it's a question being seriously considered by experts. Imagine an AI system designed to optimize a task, deciding to bypass human oversight. This scenario, known as the AI singularity, posits a future where machines surpass human control. We need to ensure AI systems are aligned with human values and designed with appropriate safeguards. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's shaped by our choices and actions. Let's embrace AI's potential while remaining mindful of its risks. Throughout history, pandemics have ravaged civilizations, leaving behind devastation and death. In an interconnected world, the threat of a global pandemic has never been greater. Imagine a highly contagious and deadly virus spreading rapidly through the air. Hospitals would be overwhelmed, healthcare systems would collapse, and governments would struggle to contain the spread. The global economy would grind to a halt, and widespread panic and social unrest would ensue. Our best defense is a combination of scientific advancement, global cooperation, and individual responsibility. We need to invest in research, strengthen public health infrastructure, and improve disease surveillance. The COVID-19 pandemic has shown us the importance of collective action. Let's work together to create a future where we are better prepared to face the challenges posed by invisible enemies. Since the dawn of the atomic age, humanity has lived under the shadow of nuclear annihilation. The destructive power of these weapons is almost unimaginable. Today, 9 countries possess over 13,000 nuclear weapons. Imagine a regional conflict spiraling out of control, leading to an exchange of nuclear weapons. The initial blasts would vaporize millions, and the radioactive fallout would contaminate vast areas. Survivors would face radiation sickness, starvation, and disease. The environmental consequences would be equally devastating, with nuclear winter disrupting global agriculture. Preventing nuclear war requires international cooperation, diplomacy, and a shift in how we view security. The future of our species depends on our ability to embrace a more peaceful and sustainable path. The Sun, the lifeblood of our solar system, is far from static. It's capable of unleashing powerful eruptions of energy that can impact our planet. A solar superstorm could have catastrophic consequences for our technologically dependent civilization. Imagine a massive solar flare sending a surge of charged particles towards Earth. This wave of energy would trigger intense geomagnetic storms, wreaking havoc on our technological infrastructure. Satellites would be knocked offline, power grids would collapse, and air travel would grind to a halt. Financial markets would be thrown into chaos, and everyday appliances could be damaged. Our interconnected world would be plunged into darkness and disorder. Scientists are constantly monitoring solar activity and developing early warning systems. We can harden our power grids, protect critical infrastructure, and develop backup communication systems. We must cultivate awareness of our dependence on technology and the need for resilience. The universe doesn't offer guarantees, only possibilities. We often think of the universe as a vast and enduring expanse. But what if the very fabric of reality were to suddenly change? Some physicists believe that vacuum decay could pose an existential threat to our universe. This theory suggests that the universe might not be in its most stable state. There's a non-zero probability that our universe could spontaneously tunnel to a lower energy state. This transition would spread outward at the speed of light, annihilating everything in its path. Stars would blink out of existence, and even the fabric of space-time would be torn apart. The probability of vacuum decay is incredibly low, but it serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. We are but fleeting specks of consciousness in a universe far stranger and more wondrous than we can imagine. Deep within the Earth's core, a swirling mass of molten iron generates a powerful magnetic field. This magnetic field, known as the magnetosphere, is essential for life as we know it. But what if this protective shield were to weaken or reverse its polarity? Earth's magnetic field has reversed hundreds of times throughout its history. As the magnetic field weakens, our planet becomes more vulnerable to solar storms and cosmic radiation. These particles can disrupt satellites, damage power grids, and pose health risks. Imagine a world where GPS systems go haywire, communication networks collapse, and power outages become commonplace. The good news is that magnetic field reversals are relatively slow processes, typically unfolding over thousands of years. For millennia, humanity has thrived on this planet, our numbers steadily increasing. But as our population continues to surge, we're facing a growing problem. Earth's finite resources are being stretched to the breaking point. Imagine a world where cities sprawl across the landscape, consuming vast tracts of farmland and forests. A world where freshwater sources are depleted, and competition for resources sparks conflict. Today, over 8 billion people inhabit our planet, and projections suggest this number could reach 10 billion by 2050. This exponential growth is putting immense pressure on Earth's ecosystems and resources. We're already witnessing the effects: deforestation, desertification, species extinction, and climate change. Addressing the challenges posed by overpopulation requires sustainable development, family planning, and a shift in our consumption patterns. We need to invest in technologies and practices that allow us to produce more food with fewer resources and create a more equitable society. The future of our species depends on our ability to recognize the interconnectedness of our challenges and embrace solutions that promote both human well-being and planetary health. For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars, wondering if we're alone in the universe. But what if the first contact we make with alien life isn't with intelligent beings, but with microscopic organisms hitching a ride on a meteorite? Imagine a meteorite carrying microscopic life forms crashing to Earth. These alien microbes, finding a hospitable environment, begin to multiply and spread. Some might be harmless, but others could prove to be highly pathogenic. Imagine a world where crops wither, livestock fall ill, and a mysterious new disease sweeps through the human population. As we explore the cosmos, we need to be mindful of the potential risks of interplanetary contamination. Developing strict planetary protection protocols is crucial to prevent biological threats from space. Outro: the future is unwritten. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. What do you think is the most likely end-of-the-world scenario? Let us know in the comments below. As we've explored these potential end-of-the-world scenarios, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the challenges we face. But I urge you not to despair. The future is not predetermined. It's a canvas upon which we, as a species, have the power to paint our own destiny. By embracing scientific curiosity, fostering global cooperation, and acting with wisdom and compassion, we can navigate the challenges ahead and create a future where humanity not only survives but thrives. Remember, the universe doesn't offer guarantees, only possibilities. It's up to us to seize those possibilities and shape a future worthy of our dreams.